2019 Fusion Titanium Hybrid. Under 100 kilometers on it. Beautiful car to drive. I've been driving one. I'm averaging about 5 liters per 100, more than 1,000 kilometers per tank. This one, remote start, remote entry, backup camera, reverse sensing. Full power group, of course. We do have leather, power, heated, cooled front seats, moonroof. Voice navigation, remote start. You can see the Sony audio there. Rotary shifter, electronic parking brake. Beautiful car to drive, and you're going to find this one at Brown Brothers, Ward 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.